Your lesson essential question is, how can we break apart an addend to find the sum of two-digit numbers? So we're going to be adding again today, so finding the sum, which you know is the answer to an addition problem. You know the word addend means a number that's being added in an addition problem. The strategy we're using is breaking apart numbers. And this is a really great strategy for mental math. Just for an example, when we break apart numbers, we break them into tens and ones. So it's easier for me to add my 110, which is 10, and then add my 5 ones. So we break apart our addend into tens and ones so that it's easier to do mentally. I'll show you how that works. So I have 37 plus 25. I'm going to keep 37 the same because that's my first addend. Remember, we're breaking apart our second addend. And then I'm going to break 25 up into my tens and into my ones. So I know I have two tens. Two tens is 20. And then I have 5 ones. So all we're doing is we're adding our tens and our ones separately. Now, you might be able to do this in your head, or you might want to use the open number line to help you. You know, when you use the open number line, you start with that first number. I know that I'm jumping 2 tens, so 10, 20. $37 plus 10. I know that when I add 10, my tens place goes up by 1. So 3 becomes 4. 4 tens, and my ones place stays the same. 47, we're adding 10, so my tens place goes up by 1. And then my ones place stays the same. So I've done 37 plus 20. Now I need to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So again, breaking apart numbers is a great mental math strategy because it's easier to add tens and then add ones if you're doing it in your head. It's also easier if you are having trouble adding the regular way. So this is a great strategy to use, and you can use it with the open number line. You're going to be practicing this today, and then you'll be logging on to Savas and showing me what you learned.